वर्षा, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई। आप मिसिसिपी स्टेट पीएचडी करने जा रही हैं केमिस्ट्री में, और रिसेंटली आपका वीजा भी अप्रूव हुआ है मुंबई से।
यस। यस सर।
थोड़ा बताएंगे आप DS-160 प्रोसेस एंड वीजा प्रोसेसिंग, उसकी प्रिपरेशन, मॉक सेशन, और फाइनली कैसे सब क्वेश्चन आंसर रहे, और कैसे ये सब प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हुआ।
यस सर। सो मैंने DS-160 फॉर्म लाइक वीजा इंटरव्यू के 1 महीने पहले भरा था। आपने मेरी हेल्प करी थी, लाइक आपने जो स्लाइड भेजी थी
हम्म।
उसमें उसे ही देख के आई हैड प्रिपेयर्ड एवरीथिंग। लाइक आई completed द फॉर्म एंड along that time also you helped me to fill the form.
हम्म।
आफ्टर दैट मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट तभी ही मिल गया। लाइक मैंने हाँ, लाइक थोड़ा पेमेंट में इश्यू आया था स्टार्टिंग में, बट
हम्म।
आफ्टर दैट थोड़े टाइम बाद अपॉइंटमेंट हो गई थी मेरी।
कब
तो
आपका बायोमेट्रिक था और इंटरव्यू स्केड्यूल था?
मेरा बायोमेट्रिक शेड्यूल था 17th को, और
17th
मेन
ऑफ
इंटरव्यू
अप्रैल।
अप्रैल।
एंड
यस। एंड ऑन 29th ऑफ अप्रैल वाज माय फाइनल इंटरव्यू।
ठीक है। ओके।
So during that time, you took 3 mock tests of
ओके।
mine. So also helped me be prepared for the interview. So I had prepared 20 questions
ओके।
and
कहाँ पे
with
आपके
answers.
बायोमेट्रिक और काउंसलर अपॉइंटमेंट था?
um, दोनों बीकेसी में ही था, मुंबई मुंबई में बांद्रा कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में।
आप
लाइक
मुंबई से ही हैं,
इट
और
वाज
आपके दोनों ही पार्ट मुंबई में डिजाइन हुए।
हाँ सर, ये लाइक बेसिकली तो मैं मुंबई से ही थी स्टार्टिंग से, पर
यस।
रिसेंटली हम शिफ्ट हो गए थे उदयपुर। सो आई हैड टू कम हियर एंड
अच्छा।
राइट आई एम स्टेइंग एट माय सिस्टर्स प्लेस।
ओके ओके ओके।
यस।
तो
यस।
बताइए थोड़ा सा क्या रहा, मतलब बायोमेट्रिक में क्या प्रोसेस था, और इंटरव्यू में क्या प्रोसेस था?
बायोमेट्रिक में सर दे हैड आस्क्ड मी टू कम 1 hour अर्ली। So my biometrics time was at 10 o'clock, but I went there at 8:30. So I was outside, but they called to like make a queue only 20 minutes before the time.
ओके।
Then हमें अंदर like phone and bags were not allowed inside.
हम्म।
Like there were lockers, but I
हम्म।
had took my phone with me, so I
ओके।
had to take a locker and put my mobile phone over there.
हम्म। ओके।
Later, it was a simple process. Like they gave when we made a queue, they gave me a token, and then we went inside and they took my fingerprints and a photograph, and they asked me to like go only the basic question like what is my name and age, and they took my passport and had put a banner on it like my biometric has been
तो
completed.
DS-160 में कुछ देखते नहीं है, कुछ मैच करते हैं जो DS-160 फॉर्म सबमिशन हुआ है?
नहीं, तभी तो उनने कुछ भी नहीं देखा। लाइक तभी
ओके।
स्टार्टिंग में उनने लाइक जैसे एंटर होने के लिए उनने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स लिए तो थे, बट
हम्म।
बेसिकली उन्होंने पासपोर्ट ही चेक करा।
अच्छा। ओके।
Okay.
मतलब
Yes.
पासपोर्ट का,
और
मुझे लगता है नाम DS-160 और I-20, वो सब एक रखते हैं,
यस।
वो मैच होना चाहिए। ओके।
यस, अंदर जाने के लिए लाइक अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर, DS-160 एंड पासपोर्ट, दैट वाज
ओके
रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बायोमेट्रिक।
ओके।
And that biometric was very simple. They only took fingerprints and only that was the process.
वो स्टिकर लगा देते हैं कि भाई इसका बायोमेट्रिक हो गया।
Yes, yes, that sticker is very important. Like we have to show it again on the final interview.
फिर क्या हुआ?
So after that, they asked to like exit. Like it was a very simple process. I came out, and later I at that day only I went to the next building. Like it was like 500 to 600 meters away from the like biometric center. It was
हम्म।
in different building. It was not in the US consulate. So that day only itself, I went to the US consulate to see where my next interview is going to be.
ओके।
So later on, when on the 29th, I went there, to the US consulate. Like my interview time was 10:40,
Mm-hmm.
and I reached there like for at 9:30, 9:30, 9:40. So just as I reached there, they asked me to get inside. Like they had taken all the visa applicants all together. Like for like 8:30 to 12:40, they had taken everyone inside all together. So as I rose there, they took me inside, and
Mm-hmm.
after that, there was a security check. That time also they took my passport and scanned that my biometric has been done, and
Mm-hmm.
then my security check was going on. Well, there wasn't much line there, like during the time I was there. Then they when I got inside, they asked me like for what language do I prefer. So I said English. Like I didn't know that I could go for any other languages. So
Yeah.
I just said English. Yes. So after that, I went inside, and they made me join another queue where they were again checking our passports. Like there was a queue for passport checking again, and then after that, another queue was there where another biometric was being done
Mm-hmm.
only for fingerprints. Again, after that, they asked me to join the English queue where the students are going.
Mm-hmm.
After that, there were many counters over there. So they asked me to join one of the counters. Like I was on counter 34. After that, I was waiting like in the line. There were people ahead of me. After that, when I reached that window, like where the interview was being taken, so my what we say interviewer was a British English person.
Okay.
So it was a bit difficult to understand him.
Accent
So
is the.
he yes, so
Mm-hmm.
he just asked me for my passport. He didn't take my any of my this documents. He just took my passport, and after passport, he took asked for the I-20. When I gave him the I-20, then he asked for, oh, are you going for PhD in chemistry? Like you're going for PhD. Then he asked me for in which subject are you going to do your PhD? Then I said I'm going to do my PhD in chemistry. Then then he asked me what you had done before before doing your PhD, what you were doing. So I said I did my master's in chemistry from MIT University. Then again he asked me like what you in what subject did you do your master's in? So I said I did my master's in chemistry. Then he asked me what did you do after your master's? So I said after my master's, I was at home attending to my parents and preparing for my PhD. So I was applying to colleges. And after that, he asked me, how will you fund your education? So I said, my PhD is fully funded. So he said, okay. Then he said, congratulations, your visa has been
Visa
approved.
has been approved.
So,
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको.
yes.
वो इमोशंस ही डिफरेंट होते
Yes.
हैं कि काम हो गया. Okay.
Yes, so at first I didn't even realize that he said yes, your visa has been. I was like, so should I answer something? I was like constantly thinking. Then he
Uh,
again said like, yeah, your visa has been approved. You can, I have kept your passport. You can go now.
यस यस.
That time I did.
फिर सब आप आई थिंक बाहर आई होंगी और कम्युनिकेशन किया होगा, देखो हो गया काम.
Yes, मेरी बहन आई थी ना मेरे साथ, तो उससे
अच्छा.
मैं बात कर रही थी.
बहुत
हाँ,
बहुत.
they were
इस इसमें DS-160 में क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है बायोमेट्रिक के दौरान?
बायोमेट्रिक के दौरान सर, बायोमेट्रिक के दौरान उनने अंदर जाने के लिए तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में तो नहीं पूछे. लाइक आफ्टर गिविंग द टोकन व्हेन वी गो इनसाइड, फर्स्ट दे आस्क फॉर द टोकन. Afterwards there is a security check for to go inside. That time
हम्म.
one lady is over there. She checks all the documents like I-20. This I-20 is not required. Only DS-160 appointment letter and what we call
Davis fee,
visa. Yes, no, Sevi's fee was also not being checked over
तो
there.
वीजा
Only
अपॉइंटमेंट
TS
का कंफर्मेशन हो गया और DS-160 कंफर्मेशन.
TS 160. Yes,
ओके.
just those two were required over there, and
और
then
कोई
they lent.
कोई फोटो वगैरह, कई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं स्टूडेंट मुझसे कि क्या फोटो वगैरह भी रिक्वायरमेंट है, पिक्चर, पासपोर्ट साइज.
Uh, no, sir. Like during the biometric, they asked to bring 2x2 photo. But in my final interview, they didn't ask for anything. They didn't even take the photo.
हाँ, तो उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, यही मैं कह रहा हूँ, राइट.
हाँ, नहीं है सर.
इट
Yes,
इज इट इज नॉट बिकॉज
it
बायोमेट्रिक के
is not
दौरान ही दे आर
required.
टेकिंग ऑल द पिक्चर्स, कि यू नेवर नो कि कौन क्या हार्ड कॉपी में चेंजेस कर दे. तो बायोमेट्रिक में जो फिंगर प्रिंटिंग है और फेस है और जो भी फोटो लेते हैं, दैट इज सफिशिएंट टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस प्रोबेबली. जब ये वीडियो देखेंगे लोग तो फोटोज की रिक्वायरमेंट कोई नहीं है. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू से.
Yes, sir. नहीं है. उनने बोला था like they asked to bring. I did take a picture of mine like 2x2 photo, but they didn't take it.
ठीक है, आप ये कह रही रख लो क्योंकि बोल रहे हैं वो.
हाँ, yes, I did take it with me, but उनने पूछा ही नहीं, so I was like expecting कि इसके बाद में कोई process है, but they didn't do anything. They just took my passport and asked me to like you can exit now.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स हैं जो उनकी वीजा लगातार मई में बहुत से स्टूडेंट के हैं, जून में भी होंगे, जुलाई में भी होंगे. तो तैयारी के प्रोसेस को आप थोड़ा समझाएंगी कि स्टूडेंट कैसे तैयारी करे और रिलैक्स माइंड से इसको अप्रूव करा पाए, सक्सेस मिले उसको.
वीजा के लिए ना सर.
जी हाँ.
वीजा के लिए सर मुझे स्टार्टिंग में इतना वो नहीं था लाइक कि वीजा इज अ वेरी हार्ड प्रोसेस. बट आफ्टर बीइंग एक्सपोज टू इट लाइक गोइंग टू द यूएस कॉन्सुलेट, we think that it is a very hard process, but it was very simple. Like for
हम्म.
the PhD, I guess PhD के लिए they were very lenient and they were
Yes.
like not very focused on knowing everything. Like because we already have the I-20 and we are fully funded, so
प्रोग्राम.
I
यस.
think yes, it has been already approved by the college, so they don't really put much effort to it. Like
That
they
is why
ask
I
only
keep on
basic.
saying PhD program. I mean, visa is 100%. I mean, that what we have been observing. बहुत रेयर होता है किसी का एरोस्पेस हो, डिफेंस का हो, तो तभी थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड चेक करते हैं. अदरवाइज यू राइट. प्लीज गो अहेड.
Yes, sir. So basically, I had prepared very much. Like you took mock test, and at that time I was very nervous that what would be asked and everything. So I had prepared everything. So I was ready for any question. Like
आई एग्री.
I knew what I was going to do and what not. So I was like preparation is very much required to be confident and to be like less nervous during that
वेरी
time.
ट्रू. नाउ आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. होती है ना एक एग्जाम की सैंक्टिटी रहती है, कोई भाई आता है लेकिन
Yes.
थोड़ा तैयारी कर लो.
हाँ सर.
ओके.
हाँ बस उसी का उतना ही था. लाइक प्रिपरेशन पूरी थी, सो आई वाज कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन वट एवर वाज बीइंग आस्क्ड. लाइक इवन इफ द क्वेश्चन वाज नॉट like point to point what I had in mind, then also I was prepared that I know these answers, so I will give those answers.
यस यस. बस बहुत बहुत बधाई. इस प्रोसेस में कुछ लाइन कुछ कहना चाहें हमारे एफर्ट्स को लेके, प्लीज.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm very grateful. Like during the visa also, you helped me. Like it was very like you like my nervousness was not going waste. You were like helping me throughout. Like it was not like you knew that it is a very simple process and it is very leniency is there.
यस
Still, you were helping me throughout, so it was
यस
very
यस.
much giving me confidence that I can crack it easily.
ओके.
So I'm very grateful to the team. Like the main part is the questions you sent me and also the visa slides you sent provided to me, and also the mock test helped me greatly. Like I was very much confident like कि I will go there and it will go good. It will be good.
बिल्कुल आप सही कह
Yes.
रही हैं. और बहुत सिंपल है पीएचडी प्रोग्राम. हैव कॉन्फिडेंस, go through the mock session and have documents ready. I agree.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच वर्षा,
Yes.
और बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको. अब जल्दी आई थिंक नेक्स्ट
Thank
राउंड
you.
आपका कुछ लोगों से बात की है मैंने हाउसिंग को लेके, एंड देन
Yes,
start preparing your backup and something.
yes,
And
sir.
shopping, being a girl, I would say.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so
I
much.
had kept everything on hold. Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye.